The left lane is for passing only. Yeah, no, you were not speeding, but you were in the left lane.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay.
Try something else. I'm going to court, ma'am, because I was not impeding traffic. I was driving the speed limit. You're not doing a good job.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story was submitted by Johan G. and is a wonderful example of why you need a dash cam. On March 11th, 2021, Johan was traveling southbound on the I-25 in New Mexico when he noticed he was being followed by Officer M. Baca of the New Mexico State Police for over 15 miles. Aware of the road pirate and their tendency to manufacture violations, Johan set his cruise control to the posted speed limit of 75 miles per hour. Traffic was light, and Johan was using the passing lane to overtake slower vehicles while continuing to go the posted limit. His suspicions were correct, and he was pulled over around mile marker 275.
Okay, let's start. Your name and badge number, please?
Yes, Officer Baca, New Mexico State Police.
Officer what?
Officer Baca.
Babka, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so the reason for the stop is you were impeding traffic, so you were cruising in the left lane. The left lane is for passing only, and you were swerving a little bit as well.
Well, I appreciate you bringing this to my attention, ma'am, but as you know, the speed limit is 75, and I have the cruise for the last 200 miles on 75.
Yeah, no, you were not speeding, but you were in the left lane. The left lane is for passing only. It's not for cruising. If you wanted to maintain your speed of 75, you can stay in the right lane, but you had traffic all backed up. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance on the vehicle?
What you're suspecting me of?
Impeding traffic.
No, ma'am, I was not impeding traffic. I was on the speed limit.
Okay, the left lane is for passing vehicles only. It is not for cruising.
There's no sign says the left lane for passing only.
Okay, do you have your driver's license, registration?
Yes, ma'am. What you're suspecting me of?
I already informed you.
This is not a violation, ma'am, because there is no sign says left lane for passing only.
Yes,
or right lane for passing only. I was driving 75. You just indicated I was 75 miles per hour. I haven't committed any offense. And you want to get my driver's license. Why do you want my driver's license?
I already informed you of why. Can you give me your driver's license, registration, and insurance?
I will give you my driver's license and insurance, but what are you suspecting me of?
I already told you the two. You were impeding traffic and you were swerving. I caught you swerving.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay.
Try something else. Try something else. If this going to court, I will have the video played and I will have a jury trial so that, ma'am, because you guys are stopping people and giving citations and giving violation based on nothing. So I'm telling you, this is not the first time I'm being stopped.
Okay.
And if this is gonna go to court, it's not gonna stand.
Okay, can you give me your driver's license, registration, and insurance? I already told you what I pulled you over for. Just look at it right there. That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Your insurance is good. I just need to see your registration and your your ID card. Okay. As far as I am going to cite you for the impeding traffic. You can either choose to pay the penalty assessment or go to court.
I'm going to court, ma'am, because I was not impeding traffic. I was driving the speed limit. And you already said that, and you already admitted I was not speeding. I was not impeding traffic. I was in the left lane doing 75 miles an hour, which is the speed limit.
Okay,
if you cite me, this is going to court, and the prosecutor, whoever in charge, gonna tell you you're not doing a good job.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'll go ahead and put that citation for court, okay?
The ticket issued has several issues. As you can hear in the video, traffic was light. However, Officer Baca marked it as heavy, presumably to support her narrative in the essential facts portion, where she wrote, "Driver failed to yield right away upon approach of oncoming vehicles. Traffic southbound was heavily backed up due to vehicle failure to yield," which is where we find the second issue. The common terminology is yield right of way, not yield right away. The statute on the ticket is 66-07-332-1, which covers the approach of oncoming vehicle. Yield right of way. It's a simple mistake, but once again, the term is common and takes on a very different meaning in the way that it was written here. The third issue is with the entire ticket, just in general. It alleges that many vehicles approached Johann's vehicle, which confirms that he was the only vehicle on the road adhering to the speed limit. No vehicles were passing to the right of Johann because traffic was traveling slower than 75 miles per hour in the right-hand lane. Johann was passing the slower traffic, but the officer seems to expect him to either A, break the law by traveling faster than the speed limit because other people are too, or B, reduce his speed and travel in the right lane so that other vehicles can travel faster than the speed limit. While I have my own opinions on speed limits and their enforcement, this situation is completely ridiculous, and so is anyone that would enforce it. A dashcam would have proved his speed and shown whether or not he was passing any vehicles. If you don't have one, I've listed a few expensive and cheaper options in the description. A special thanks to Johann for submitting this video, and thanks to you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you have an interaction you'd like me to review, email it, submit it on my website, or through Facebook Messenger. All links are down below.